Get ready to go, butterflies.
Ready?
Yes. That's why they're being released. Lift the lid. Alright, stick your hand in there. So they'll come out. Hey, there's one. There he goes. Maybe you can watch the flight of one. There he goes. There he comes. Watch, open the bottom thing here. Let's get riled up, man. That's good.
Oh,
there they go.
Two.
There are about 4 more in here.
Why can't we just
Let's go, little fella.
leave them?
Nope, we can't. You gotta hold this open, dude. They can't go unless it's open. Almost done. Let's go, fellas. Out. Out with the feathers.
No, let's keep one.
Here's the last one. There they go.
That's it.
All done.
That's it.